The Braja-Mohan temple is immediately across the road from Gyana Gudri on the eastern side. It is a pleasant little temple with very friendly devotees running it who know Srila Prabhupada's ISKCON very well. It is number 71 on our map. We come inside from the road into the temple courtyard and then find the deities on the altar to our left. Radha Braj Mohan are very attractive forms of Radha and Krishna, and they are worshipped with great devotion by the devotees here. They were installed by Srila Narottam das Thakur during the first Gaura-purnima festival held in Khethuri in current-day Bangladesh. This took place approximately 30 years after the disappearance of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.